weight reduction right there. No doors. What the heck? Slam Prius? Yeah, that shit's nice. We got the homie. Bro, we lost him on the freeway. We were cruising up here together, but you got stuck in traffic?
Bro, it was so bad.
Got the hoodie on. They both got the hoodie on. Bro, I was gonna wear it, but I knew both of you guys were gonna wear it.
It's my favorite hoodie right now, bro.
It's sick on.
Yeah.
It's quality, bro.
It's comfy, baby.
Guys, this thing is so slammed, bro. It's so sick. And this F80 on TEs, so freaking nice. I want TEs. Maybe I'll get an extra set for the GTR. And then we got an NSX. Damn, we got two R33s here. So freaking sick. Right-hand drive too? I want an R32 though if I got one. R32, R34. Then this little E46 that I see everywhere. I see this thing at every single car meet. I'm not even kidding. The Need for Speed one. Oh, this SUK is beautiful. Look how slammed it is. With the cage and everything. Look at all these RX-7s. This one's freaking sick. Rotary. Oh my god, I want one of these so bad. Wow, bro, this shit's clean. This looks so much fun to drive, bro. All the JDM lineup right here. Guys, look at this M4 on TEs. These TEs are so sick, but also the brake calipers. They have the Tiffany blue brake calipers. Bro, I was literally thinking of doing those brake calipers on my GTR, that color. But a lot of people told me not to do it. But now I kind of want to do it. And R32 and an F80. Joseph Najas right there. R32s are so sick, guys. I want one so bad. Right-hand drive too. If I get a right-hand drive car, it's definitely gonna be this. Imagine I'll have two GTRs, R32 and R35. I need to catch up to Dustin Williams. Dustin has like 4 of them, all of them. Look, there's R35 right there. Nismo too. Damn. This thing sounds crazy. Pro Charge, I think? God damn. Look at, he got the gap cams right here. The GoPros to catch people losing. Bro, he got 1, 3, 4, 5 GoPros. Oh my god, dude. You guys think it's fast? You think you can beat the GTR? I don't know. You had to turn the GoPro the other way so you can see me win. Guys, this Honda is so freaking loud. Watch. Let's see if he does it again. Oh my god, dude. The homie's E92. My favorite freaking E92, bro. I say it every time, but just look how clean it is. Woo!
Alright, we hear you. Hey, we hear you. Just want to let you know, we hear you, dumbass.
This was pissed. Damn, E46 M3. Those wheels are sick. There's a bunch of E46. Look at all these. I like the hoodie.
Yeah?
Damn, E46 M3. Red one. Bro, black wheels actually looks really good. Maybe I should get some black set of wheels for mine. And that trunk. That trunk will be sick. I know, bro. Alright guys, teleporting over here. We found this like little airport museum thing. The homie with the i8 wants some pictures, so we're gonna take some photos of his i8. I think this is gonna be a sick ass spot. With the doors open, bro, I freaking love that car. I'm not even kidding, guys. I think an i8 will be a perfect daily. It's electric, save gas, and it just looks sick. The doors go up. But yeah, but I have a little photo shoot. I'll let you guys know how these photos come out. What's up guys, they're watching another video. Today we are back at the shop, and today we're actually gonna try to put together the lights and reveal the lights that we're doing in the shop. I've been telling you guys we're gonna put some pretty sick lights in here, and I'm excited. They're in this box. They look very complicated to install, so that's what we're gonna try to figure out today. Well, actually tonight we're gonna just try to put one together. I can't wait till it's done though. It's gonna look so freaking sick on the roof. This is how the shop is hopefully gonna look. But we got 2 of these big old lights. now you guys can see how sick they look. And once they're in here, it's gonna be so freaking bright. We're gonna put 2 of them, like I said, and I don't know. They're just super unique, super crazy, and I'm freaking excited. It's gonna look like a freaking showroom in here. We finished. The lights came out freaking sick. My GoPro died in the middle of the time lapse, but it's finished. And look at this. This is just one of them. And we're gonna have 2 of these lights hung on the roof. As you guys can see, it takes up literally the entire shop. So 2 of them, it's gonna be so freaking bright and it's gonna look so sick.
So we finally got the lights up, but it's super hard to get everything even and lining up like perfectly, because sometimes it wants to sag, because the hexagons and the border are 2 separate pieces, but
guys, we did it. Finally. Manny. We helped, but first of all, shout out to my dad for helping us with this one. And then the homies came and we got this one up. This one was a lot more easier to put up. It's like, there's no instructions for these things. So we had to like learn as we go. Both of them came through and they helped fix all the flooring. So all the flooring is literally perfect how we wanted it. Look at this. Yeah, this side is really insane. Like everything is hugging the wall. So that means every square inch of the shop is Swiss track. So it's just freaking sick. It looks so good. And then topped off with these lights, they look so freaking awesome. We need an electrician to come through, I think tomorrow or Wednesday. And he's gonna fix them all, make them work, and see how bright the shop is actually gonna look. I'm excited. But yeah, shout out to both of them. Thank you so freaking much. They look sick. Okay guys, before we dip, I wanna give them both a ride. They have not been in the GTR yet. I'm telling them it's slow though. It's not even that fast.
It's not.
There's no room out. You're 6'2"?
Yeah.
And he's barely fitting back here. Look. This back seats in the GTR are pointless. But anyways, fun fact guys, he's the first person that I ever saw with merch on in person. Like when I first dropped my first merch on. Yeah. I think I'm in the vlog, huh? It's in the vlog. Yeah. If I can find the clip, I'll play it right here. Guys, look at this. This is the first person, bro.
Oh shit.
The first person I seen. What's up, dude? Thank you, dude. It's badass, dude. Look, we're twinning, bro. That was the first person I've seen with the hoodie. Bro, did you see that?
I saw that.
That's actually crazy, huh? It just so happens to be that he shows up and helps us out like months later. Or probably almost a year later. That's crazy. The only thing scary about over here is like there's so many cops, bro.
Oh fuck yeah.
Like so many over here. We should just send it right away. Ready?
Yep.
Holy shit!
It's alright. Watch this. This is a thing called rolling analog, bro. I want to gap someone.
Hit my head. Man, that's too fucking crazy.
It's crazy, huh?
Dude, this is nuts.
2,000 years later.
Damn, man, he's finally wrapping my GTR. It looks so much better though. By the way, look at this. We got our lights wired up. Finally. That was like a what? 4-day process to get these lights working. We had an electrician come in today and he wired them all up and they look so freaking good. It's so bright. It doesn't even pick up on camera. It kind of like makes it look dark, but when you look down here, it's so freaking bright. It's crazy. Way brighter than those last lights that we had, the old ones. These look so freaking good. And we're also gonna add like a strip of LEDs right here, so it's gonna even bring more brighter than this. But yeah, guys, look at this. The GTR's in here. We also got this Benz, this AMG. This car is sick. Big baller, look at this. HREs. And yeah, we got the GTR in here, getting the little door handles wrapped. And like Manny said, if you guys watch his vlog, we kind of technically haven't even opened the shop yet, but there's already a car in here. This is actually the second car already. There was a roof wrap earlier today, and then this is the second one coming in for like a chrome delete. All this chrome stuff's about to go black. Damn. Way better, bro. It's all blacked out, and then just a random silver door handle that needs to be wrapped. These also need to be wrapped too, but Manny's gonna do it another day because we're kind of in a rush. But I think the previous owner, they either like scraped this with their nails or something, so there's like paint chips on this door handle. So we're probably gonna just wrap that plus this, but for now we're just wrapping the door, the silver part. Look at that, guys. Little tiny wrap made a huge difference. Now there's no silver on this car. Actually, we need to do this next. Probably not today, but we gotta get rid of this chrome too. You ready?
Nope.
Bro, look how crazy this looks, dude. The shop looks insane. And yeah, we're about to hit this little car meet that's up the street and see what we can film. Because I have no vlog content. Alright, we made it to the car meet. You can barely see anything here, it's so dark. But we made it. Got some Z's. Look at this M4 here though. Woo! I'll always love F80s, M4s, M3s. Yeah, we got a couple sick cars. My GTR over here, all dark. It doesn't help that the car is black. You don't see anything. You can't even tell it's like a cool car here. Got the Beamers here, E92 and an M2. E92 M3. There's actually a lot of people here. Look at this. I feel like I haven't been to like a night car meet like this in a while. Damn, look at the underglow. Everyone's starting to bring the underglow back, guys. What do you guys think? Should we bring it back? Put some underglow on the GTR? I would do it on a drift car. Am I like, sick wraps? Oh my god, that wrap is crazy. I don't even know what it's supposed to be, bro. GTR. A GTR where? Where, bro? I don't see no GTR. Oh shit, there's 2 GTR. 3! Bro, I think there's more. I think I need to move my car over here, bro. We got cops here too. Look at this, guys. We got a probably like 2017, 18 one. And a bunch of other ones. This one's insane, bro. Wide body GTR. I think it's a Pandem kit too. I like how he kept the lip white. Like everything is white on this car. And an RX-7 that's also wide body. I think Pandem as well. Little hood exit right here. Fender exit. The new ones look so much more aggressive, bro. It's crazy. Damn, like another GTR. What's up? That shit's hard. Bro, that wrap is crazy, dude. What the heck? What's up, dude? What's up? I want a rotary one day. The car just sounds like nothing you ever hear, bro. Like it sounds so sick. Well, I think there's already cops shutting it down. Like always, car meets never last. I feel like you cannot throw a car meet anymore. That was kind of whack. But some extra footage for you guys. Damn, Super and R32 just chilling over here. I like your car. I like yours, bro. That shit's hard. Yeah, bro, this GTR looks so sick driving. That thing looks crazy wide body. Looks so sick.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.